Yo, 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 another day, another adventure with your homeboy Jermaine, and getting this vlog started off in the kitchen, making up some food right now. I'm pretty much cooking up all the food that I have left. This is what I got going on. I'm making some pasta here. Got the pasta on the stove cooking. That's almost done. I'm making some vegan hot wings here. I still have a little bit more of the buffalo wing sauce. So I'm definitely gonna hook up some, some vegan wings before I get ready to take off. Over here, I'm gonna chop up some onions with, I'm gonna add some chickpeas with the tomato basil sauce. And I'm gonna cook all this up on the stove and have this with the pasta here. And wow, this is pretty much how I'm getting this video started. I'm just jumping right into this video. Yo, I'm doing this, I'm doing that, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. Yeah, I got clothes in the washer. No, I actually got clothes in the dryer now. I'm waiting on those to get done. As soon as those get done, I'm going to run over to Whole Foods. I'm going to grab a, after I eat all this food, I'm probably going to go there and grab a slice of vegan pizza just because I really, really want a slice of vegan pizza. But I'm going to like garf down all of this food and then go skateboard over there, grab a pizza. Maybe I'll get like one of those milkshakes too. One of those like vegan milkshakes that are like really dank, that are like $9. Like, come on, $9 for a milkshake. That's like ridiculous, but it's totally worth it. And think about it. If you think about $9 for a milkshake, is that a lot of money? How much do you pay when you go to a bar for a drink? You pay what? $8, $9 for a drink? I guess $9 for a milkshake is a lot of money, but it's a really, really good milkshake. And it's something that I don't have every day. Most importantly, it's something I don't have every day. And I actually won't have the opportunity to have something like this for quite some time. So I think I'm going to go over there. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to go get me a vegan milkshake from Whole Foods or something like that. Something along those lines. It's yeah, that's pretty much what I got going on. I'm over here flipping these wings here, and yeah, yo, let's get this video started. What's in my ultra minimalist travel bag? What up, YouTube? It's your boy Jermaine, back with another video. This video, I thought I would show you guys what I am taking with me on my next European adventure. And this is everything that I'm taking, and I call this ultra light because I'm not taking many things at all. How about I show you right now? I'll be backpacking a little bit coming up soon, and these are some of the items I'm taking with me on my adventure here. I guess let's start off down here at this corner. Of course, I have my US passport. I have a Gucci messenger bag. I also have some extra coins in there for the next country I'm going to, which is pretty convenient. Here I have a pair of North Face convertible pants. These are these turn into shorts, and these are also long pants, and they have pockets with zippers. I really like these a lot. These are great to travel with. I have a hat just in case I get cold, and also something to wrap my hard drive up in just in case. I just do that just in case. I mean, this hard drive is a pretty decent hard drive anyway, but just in case I still do it. Here I have a wallet with like an ID card and a passport, ID card, also credit cards and that sort of thing. I also have this lanyard that this is attached to. And this lanyard, I can take this and attach this to the inside of the bag. So this way, as long as I'm wearing the bag, this should be, nearby if this is attached to this loop here, and I keep this inside of my bag. This is something I usually do. Or sometimes I may just wear this around my neck if I'm in a cold location where I have a jacket on. I could just wear this around my neck, and it's not even in a bag, and it's underneath a jacket. Here I have, we're just moving right along here. I have MacBook, this is 12-inch MacBook. As of now, I'm uploading a video to YouTube. That's why the computer's on. Here, I just got this recently, and I just used it for the first time the other day. This came in handy great. But this is a hood cover for your backpack. So I can cover up my backpack with this cover here, which is really cool. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys will see this in a video coming up soon. I have a couple pairs of socks here. A couple more pairs of socks. Here I have a water bag. These are great to take when you are flying on a budget airlines and they charge extra for everything, like water. Sometimes water can be $3 on a budget airlines, but if you have one of these, you can go through airport security with this empty. You can fill this up in the airport at a water fountain. However, not all airports have water fountains beyond the security gate, so you may want to take that in mind. I believe in the U.S. Most airports have water fountains through the security gate. Now we're gonna move off to the shirts here. Didn't bring many shirts, but here we go. I brought a couple t-shirts, these 2 t-shirts here, and all these other shirts are like Lululemon shirts. They're like from that yoga store. I really like the fabrics. They don't hold odors like as well as like cotton do. So you can kind of get away with wearing one of these shirts like more than one day, and it doesn't really smell. So I really like these a lot. They're perfect to travel with. I also have a polo here. This is one of my favorite shirts like ever right here. This one here. So I really like this one a lot. It's definitely going on this trip, this adventure. And I have 1 button-down shirt. My last trip, I bought like 2 button-down shirts, and like 1 is plenty. Off to the side, I have about this is about 5 pair of underwear, plus the underwear that I'm wearing as the making of this video. I have a pair of swim shorts, which I will probably also just wear these like if it's really hot, like I'll just rock these. I have a pair of Birkenstocks here. Birkenstocks, I love Birkenstocks. These, I have these open because I'm going to pack these in the bottom of my bag and have things over them so they'll fit my bag easier. I'm going to walk back over to the front here. Okay, let's start back over here in this area. Okay, here we have some chargers. This is a little surge protector here with some European plugs. Here, this one connects to the Apple adapter, so I really like this one a lot. I can plug directly into the like the computer, so that's really nice. Here I have another this is a 30-watt USB power adapter. This is USB-C, so I can power a MacBook with this, and I can charge an iPad Pro with this, so this is pretty cool. I have some Gopro batteries here. This have a set of 3 Gopro batteries. This is a 2 terabyte Lacy drive. This is 500 terabyte Samsung SSD portable hard drive here. I have some memory cards in here. These are my memory cards there. I have also more memory cards. There's another memory card in my GoPro. Where's the other GoPro? The other GoPro is here, and also the GoPro that I'm filming on now. Excuse this really loud noise. I'm filming this video in San Francisco, and there is like fighter jets flying over for some reason. I don't know why they're flying over San Francisco, but anyway, let's continue on with this video. We have some cords here. This is micro USB and micro USB. This micro USB, and then Apple cord, regular Apple cord, more USB cords. I got a hairbrush for some odd reason, just in case I want to start brushing my hair for some reason. I have iPad Pro here. Have a couple different vitamins. These have went on a lot of trips. These have actually been to a lot of different countries. I don't usually take these every day. I only take these when I know I'm not eating right, but usually I eat pretty good, so I don't really take these. Here we have an umbrella. I actually bought this for about $5 in Belfast, Northern Ireland. And this, I can't believe this thing has held up. I've used this on rainy days. I've also used this on sunny days, but this has held up great. And I'm going to take it on this trip because I might run into some rain, you know. I can use my raincoat to cover me up. I can use my raincoat for my backpack to cover my backpack. And I can use this to, I guess, cover cover all that stuff. Here we have an iPad stand for the iPad Pro, so I can like watch movies on the iPad and stuff like that. I have a couple books here. This is from the Facebook community boost, but I'm gonna use it for like writing and stuff like that, for like video ideas and things of that sort. Over here, I have a bottle of shampoo. I typically use shampoo where I stay, but just in case I don't like the shampoo, a couple different places I stayed in, I didn't like the shampoo and stuff, so I thought I would just bring a little bottle for my own. I thought I would bring a little bottle of my own or something like that. Did I say that right? Yeah. Anyway, I have a toothbrush, couple toothpaste, couple toothbrushes, sunglasses. These are some polarized sunglasses, and also some coconut oil. A lot of people ask, Jermaine, you don't use lotion? You don't use lotion? Well, I don't typically use lotion, but I use coconut oil a lot, so I have coconut oil. And this is pretty much what I'm taking with me on my next adventure. I can't believe that I'm taking only this. Now, I'm also taking, you know, these elephant pants that I'm wearing, and let's see, I'm also taking North Face rain jacket, of course. And you might wonder what backpack I'm going to stick all this in. I'm going to stick this in this North Face Rincon. This is a 30-liter backpack.